Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss next kind of adjective, that is adjective of quantity. In previous videos we have discussed about the first kind of adjective, that is adjective of quality. Now let's see adjective of quantity, then adjective of number. Adjective of quantity. This tells us about what is the quantity, what is the amount of noun or pronoun in a sentence, and those nouns or pronouns are uncountable nouns or pronouns. Okay, this is the main condition. Okay, these adjectives are used for uncountable nouns that are not counted, and if we ask question how much, it answers. Okay, so to know adjective of quantity we have to ask the question how much. Okay, then we'll get the answer. Let's see these examples. There is some water in the jug. Here we are talking about water. Okay, what is noun? Water. This is noun, and some is used before noun. Adjectives are used only for noun and pronoun, to describe noun or pronoun. So some water, some, this is giving, this is describing what. Okay, some, this is adjective. But some water, if we ask question how much water, answer comes some water. So this is adjective. This is adjective. What kind of adjective is? Adjective of quantity. And you know water is uncountable. Okay, water is uncountable. So you have to keep always in your mind that these adjectives are used for uncountable noun. Okay, for uncountable nouns. Okay, now next, he has little knowledge of computer. Now here, what is noun or pronoun we are talking about? Here we are talking about knowledge. Okay, this is noun. And knowledge, countable or uncountable? We don't say knowledges. Okay, there is no plural of knowledge. So we don't say. It means this is uncountable. And little, this is used for knowledge. Little. If we ask question, how much? Answer comes little. How much knowledge? Little. So this is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Okay, this is used for uncountable noun, that is knowledge. Clear? Next, he spent all the money. He spent all the money. Here we are talking about money. Money is noun. And we don't say one money, two money, three money. We don't say. Okay, money, money. There's no plural of money. Okay, rupees can be counted, coins can be counted, but money cannot be counted. This is taken as whole. So this is also uncountable. Keep in mind, children. This is uncountable. Okay. So all is used for money. He spent all the money. Money is noun and all. This is adjective. What kind of adjective? Ask question. How much money? Answer comes all. All the money. So this is adjective of quantity. Okay, clear? There is no confusion. Only you have to keep in mind these adjectives are used for uncountable noun. And you have to ask question, how much? I have enough money. Here also again we have taken same example of money, no problem. I have enough money. Money, this is noun, and enough. How much money? Enough money. This is adjective. And what kind of adjective? Ask question, how much? Answer comes enough. But there is no exact point, exact number. Okay. So this is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity tells about how much noun is. Okay. So this is also adjective of quantity. Clear? Now we are going to see adjective of number. This is also very easy. Only you have to keep in mind that in adjective of numbers are used for countable nouns. Okay, those are countable. But here adjective of quantity are used for uncountable nouns. Now let's see adjective of number. Okay, this is little different from adjective of quantity. Here these adjectives are used for countable nouns. Okay, it means we can count the nouns for which they are used, and we have to ask the question how many. Okay, in adjective quantity we have to ask question how much, because that is not giving exact number, the answer of exact number. But here we can use this question how many, because this gives us this is used for countable nouns. Okay, let's see examples. I have few friends. Here we are talking about friends. Okay, this is noun, and you know children, adjectives are used only to describe noun or pronoun. Few friends. Few. This is used here for friends. This is adjective. But what kind of adjective? Adjective of number. You can ask question, how many friends? Answer comes, few friends. Okay, to know adjective of number, we have to ask always the question, how many? And answer comes few. And you know children, friends can be counted. Okay, we can count friends. Okay, they are not uncountable. So, few is used for countable noun. That's why this is adjective of number. Clear? Next, all students are present. Present, sorry. All the students are present. Here, all is used. First, we are talking about student. This is noun. And all. All is used for student. So, this is adjective of number. Why adjective of number? You can ask question, how many students? All. All the students. It means this is adjective of number. Clear? And you can see the students can be counted. Okay, this is countable nouns. Adjectives of number are always used for countable nouns. I have 10 rupees. Here, I have 10 rupees. Rupees, this is noun. And this is giving exact number. How many rupees? 10 rupees. This is adjective of number. This is giving exact answer. So this is adjective of number and this is noun. Clear? I have already explained rupees can be counted, coins can be counted, but money we don't say 1 money, 2 money, 3 money. Okay. So money is taken as whole. So whenever rupees is written, it means this is countable, and money is written, so it is uncountable. You have to count it. Okay. He made several mistakes. Mistakes, this is noun. And you know children, mistakes can be counted. Okay. One can count mistakes. So this is countable. And several. You can ask question, how many mistakes? Answer comes, several. So several, this is adjective of number. Now, next, the first boy won the prize. Okay. Children, one thing you have to keep in mind that it is giving answer of in which order the nouns or pronouns are standing. Okay, it means it is giving us answer of order also, like first, second, third, last. Okay, 21st, 22nd, like this. So you have to keep that under adjective of number. The first boy. Okay. First boy, boy, countable noun, we can count, this is noun. And first boy, which boy? First boy. So this is adjective of number, adjective of number. Clear? First, last. And one thing you have to keep in mind that seeing the adjective, you cannot decide that this is adjective of number or quantity. You have to see nouns. If the adjective is used for countable nouns, that means adjective is adjective of number. If adjectives are used for uncountable nouns, it means this is adjective of quantity. You can see same adjectives can be used for both. Now let's see how an adjective is used in adjective of number and adjective of quantity. It means same adjectives can be used as adjective of quantity and adjective of number. We have to focus on the noun, okay, for which it is used. If nouns are countable, it means that is adjective is adjective of number. If nouns are uncountable, it means that is adjective of quantity. So we will understand with the help of these examples, these two examples. There is some rice in the bowl. Okay, here we are talking about rice. This is noun. Okay, and some. If we ask question, how much rice? We have to ask question how much or how many. This is uncountable. Uncountable. So we have to ask question how much. Okay, answer comes some rice. Okay, this is adjective. But rice can be counted or not. It is countable or uncountable. This is uncountable. For uncountable nouns, what the adjectives are used, they are called adjective of quantity. Okay, some is used for uncountable noun. So this is adjective of quantity. But same adjective, you can see same adjective is used for countable noun. So here this is adjective of quantity. Okay, this is adjective of quantity because some is used for uncountable noun. But let's see here, some boys are playing in the park. Here we are talking about boys. Okay, this is noun. And some boys, how many boys? If we ask question, how many boys? Answer comes some. So this is giving answer of how many. And you can see boys. We can count. Okay, boy, boys. We can make it plural. So boys, this is countable nouns. This is countable noun, and some is used for countable noun. So some is adjective of number. This is adjective of number. Okay. So you can see same adjective is used as adjective of quantity, and here in this next example it is used as adjective of number. So you don't get confused. You have to only focus on the noun. Okay. If noun is countable, it means that is adjective of number. Adjectives which are used, that is adjective of number. If nouns are uncountable, it means that is adjective of quantity. I think now there is no confusion.